I'm Raphael. Today here we're installing a furnace for a customer who won from Peterman Cares at no cost to them.
My name is Barb Blackburn, and the recipient is my mother-in-law, Dorothy Blackburn.
I am Dorothy Blackburn, and Peterman is here putting in a new furnace.
The nominator was my husband, David, who is Dorothy's son, and he felt that it was important to put her into nomination because she's very worthy. She's a widow, so she's on her own. She's 90, going to be 91 here in a couple weeks. She's very independent, but you know, at that age and on a limited income, she could use some help. And she's always one that never does for herself. She's always doing for others.
I think it's incredible, to be able to help people in any need, installing systems for people to be comfortable in their homes.
When we found out, we were very excited for her. We're Peterman customers also, so we know what good work you guys do.
And I highly recommend them to anybody and everybody, and I do. We do talk about it. When anybody says, who do you go to? We say Peterman. And well, there's all these other people out there. Yeah, but we go to Peterman. I guess because they're here, and I said I highly recommend them. Well, the job that they do is perfection, and they're like family. I mean, they treat you like family. They make you feel comfortable, and they answer all your questions, and they spend the time with you. They're not in a hurry to come and go, and they spend the time with us, and we just highly recommend them.
We just knew that this would be something that would take her mind off the coming winter, because there were times this past winter during our cold spell where we couldn't get the house warm enough for her. So we knew that this would be something that would be very well needed and enjoyed.
Initially, I was shocked. I couldn't believe it. And then my son said, I got something good for you to tell you, and he told me that this was going to be available to me.
I'd like to encourage anybody that knows anyone that could use this type of program to go ahead and put them into nomination. It's a great nomination. It's a great company.
All I can say is I feel blessed that I was chosen. It was my son's doing and completely took me off guard. I never expected anything like that. I mean, it was just so overwhelming that they would do something like that for somebody. And I just feel such gratitude that I was chosen for it.